second year in San Government Degree College, Kodanavala. Jignasa Student Study Project is a study on the impact of MGNRGA in Kodanavala village. Introduction. Rural India faces multiple challenges such as poverty, underemployment, seasonal unemployment and migration. Most families depend on agriculture, which is uncertain due to irregular rainfall and limited irrigation facilities. The Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act in 2005 ensuring 100 days of guaranteed wage employment to every rural household. In villages like Kodanavala of Parnoor Mandal, agriculture is the primary occupation during off-season periods. There is limited employment. MGNRGA has become a major source of livelihood security for many households in the region. Importance of the study. Over to Pavni.
Myself, Pavni. Profile of the study area Kodanavala village. Location Parnoor Mandal, Nalgonda district, state Telangana. Population mainly dependent on agriculture and labor. Social composition SC, ST, BC, minority and other communities. Livelihood pattern, agriculture should be daily wage labor. Irrigation sources, borewell, tanks, rainfed fields. Major MGNR, EGA works. Farm ponds, field bundling, tank testing, plantation or Hattaharu, CC roads, water conservation activities. Over to Sabina.
Review of national studies. National studies, state level studies and mandal village level studies. Objectives of the study. To the study employment opportunities generated by MGNRGA in Kodanavala. To analyze wage earning and there is impact of household income. To explain gender participations in MGNRGA workers. To study the impact of migration trends. To evaluate the equality and uselines of estate created. Research of methodology, study area and data sources, simple science, tools of analysis.
Myself, Abhi, data analysis. First table. This table shows to how many days of employment household received under MGNRGA. Table 2. This table presents the income earned by households through MGNRGA employment. Table 3. This table highlights the gender participation in MGNRGA work. Table 4. This table shows the type of works commonly taken. Qualitative outcomes. Findings. MGNRGA provided substantial supplementary income in Kodanavala. Job availability improved during agriculture off seasons. Women become financially independent and confident. Awareness about achievement in improving due to social awareness. Now we are discussing suggestions. Panchayat should be prepare annual labor budget for continuous works. Payment delays must be reduced through digital monitoring. Skill based. Over to Sriram.
Myself, Sriram. Conclusion. This study concludes with MGNRGA has significantly improved rural employment and livelihood security in Kodanavala village as provided by income support, reduce the migration, increase the women empowerment and created valuable village assets. This is bibliography. Thanks.
Thank you.